Hello and welcome back to Lajjatdar Recipe. In this video, I am going to make a tomato soup. Nothing is like a hot bowl of tomato soup in cold winter day. Tomato soup goes great with salads or garlic bread or a cheesy grilled sandwiches. It is such a comfort food. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Ashwini and here on Lajjatdar Recipe, I always try to bring you time-tested and authentic recipes from all over the world. So before starting our recipe, if you are new here, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so you will not miss any notifications about my new recipes. Let's move to kitchen and look at the ingredients first. We need 4 tomatoes cut into slices. Take red colored tomatoes, onion roughly chopped, carrots, some cloves, cinnamon, bay leaf, cumin seeds and freshly ground black pepper, jaggery, some green chili, garlic and ginger, and a clarified butter. If you don't have clarified butter, you can use a plain butter. Let's add some clarified butter into the pan. I prefer using clarified butter for the soothing taste. Add some cumin seeds. Let the cumin seeds crackle. Then add the raw spices, cinnamon, cloves, bay leaf, followed by onions. Saute onions and all the raw spices into the butter. Let them release the beautiful aroma. Once the onions are done, add some ginger, garlic and a chili, followed by tomatoes. I'm using Roma tomatoes. Try to use beautiful dark red color tomatoes to get that natural beautiful red color. Saute them for a minute. Let's add some carrots. Carrots add very light sweet taste to the soup. They add a beautiful texture too. If you like the taste of basil, you can add few basil leaves at this moment. Let's add about 2 cups of hot water. Let these tomatoes, onions and carrot boil into this water for about next 25 minutes. I'm going to cover it. Now it has been 10 minutes. Let's see how the tomatoes are cooked. Oh, that's a so beautiful aroma. Let's check out the tomatoes. The tomatoes are still cooking. They are not fully cooked. We need to cook this for next 5 or 10 minutes. Cover it. Now you can see the tomatoes are nicely soft. They are ready. And the water has beautiful flavor of all the raw spices and ginger garlic. I'll remove the bay leaf and cinnamon. It has been almost 20 minutes since our tomatoes were boiling. Let's take it out and let's filter it. Keep the water as it is. We will use this into the soup and let this mixture get little cool and we will blend it to get a smooth paste. Let's filter the paste. This paste may have some tomato seeds and tomato skin. We want to get that smooth and silky soup. So I'm going to filter it. This step is optional. Now in a pan on a low heat, let's add our mixture. Look at the beautiful and vibrant color of the soup. Let's add the water. Give it a good mix. Add some water at this stage if you like a thinner soup. I like this texture. Because of carrots, it has been a little thick. It's time to add salt. Jaggery, about a teaspoon. Jaggery helps to balance the sourness of tomatoes. Finally, let's add freshly coarsed black pepper. Mix all these ingredients together and let our soup boil for next 2 to 3 minutes. The soup has beautiful flavors of all the raw spices, butter, ginger garlic, carrot. Let's cover it and let it cook for 2 minutes. And there it is. So, our authentic and comforting tomato soup is ready. I will transfer it to serving bowl. You can enjoy it hot or warm. It tastes just awesome. If you want at this stage, you can add some whipping cream to get that creamy tomato soup. I like the simple sour taste. I'm finishing it off with a little cream on the top. Let's add some more. I'm adding some garlic croutons to get that crunchy taste in between. And now, my friends, the perfect tomato soup is just ready. I can't wait to taste it. If you like this recipe, hit that like button right now. This is my favorite soup. You have to tell me which one is your favorite soup by writing into comment section. All my videos are also available in Hindi and Marathi languages. I have mentioned the links in descriptions below. Also, do check out my videos coming on the screen right now. See you again with another delightful recipe. Till then, enjoy, eat and share.